darkness joins her company. Mercy holds her and peace walks at her gate. Power is her defense, wisdom is her friend, and goodness her shelters bend. Up in the highest grace's tower, with the God of love's own power, whom an armed spirit sees with the clear eyes of fate's decrees. And holy is wrong that with right contends, and lies it is that follows wrong as his squire. And there are deceit and baseness and fraud's desire, and covetousness and pride as his own friends. From their parliament there comes a false preaching that comforts the rich men, teaching and instructing them in this hour that they should be traitors and cower, and wickedness filled entire, until death drives them into the mire. Right says to all that they should live justly. Wrong is lost, who loses the equal measure. Right says he who lies is his enemy and his own bane. Wrong says if you abstain you will have no riches in your power. Right says let a man labor and he will have honor. Wrong says leave him nothing. Wrong says to his own let them look to the present prize. For a man is worth nothing unless wealth is shut in his hand. And right replies that man who does not hear God's command. God does not hear, and nor his prayers nor his cries. Wrong says he who takes is wise and rich by my word. Right says set not your accord on such a folly's flower. Wrong says that honor and power is greater for him whom all holds back. Right says it has none at all without me. The great folly of the world, wrong holds for sense, and he holds for folly the sense that with God is in accord. And God's sweet will wrong holds for a bitter hoard, and the world's will he holds for sweet and without offense. But right reproves him there, insists that to the wicked scan the forward step is the hindrance. Then for laughter turns to tears that pour, and joy to grief that is sore, and great power to nothing's decree, and the fool knows not which way to flee. To a fair lover who has a fair love's cover, who has given her heart and all her store, I have given my heart and me evermore.